still going to draw the earth.
Yeah, to celebrate the earth, we're going to draw the earth, but also a tree that's holding it up.
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're also using marker paper to draw on. That helps protect our table and also keeps our markers lasting long. Okay, let's first draw the earth. We're going to draw a circle in the middle of our paper, and I'm going to draw it this big. And if you wanted to, you can also use a template to draw a perfect circle, but I think it's fun to practice drawing it freehand. Good job.
Oh my goodness.
You're doing a great job. And connect. I love it.
Yes.
You did a great job, and it's okay that our two drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
And it's okay that it's not a perfect circle, because the most important thing is...
To have fun.
Yeah, and to...
Practice.
Practice. Yeah, you ready to keep going? Now let's draw the water and also the land. We're going to draw a shape or a curve that starts here, and we're not going to draw it too accurate. We're just going to draw some wiggly lines, and so we're going to draw one that comes across here, and then we can also draw one that comes over like this, and we're going to draw it kind of big, and we could also draw a little shape like this. And, well, I'm drawing it kind of complicated, but then we're going to come in.
Wait.
This is Florida, right?
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and Mexico.
Florida covers the whole world.
It does. It's a pretty big Florida. Okay.
Wait, I'm so confused.
So just start here.
This is land, right?
No, this is the ocean. I just drew on it.
Oh.
And then this is, yeah.
You got a little slice of land right there.
Yeah, that's maybe Hawaii. So you could just draw a wiggly line. You don't have to make it look exactly like mine. But I'm trying to make the shapes look a little bit like our Earth. And that's perfect. I love that it's different. Okay, and then we could also draw, maybe we have just another wiggly line over here. Yeah, and let's leave it just like that. We'll keep it nice and simple. Now let's draw the tree that's surrounding our earth and also holding it up. So let's start down here, and we're going to draw a wiggly line that comes down, and kind of drew it starting to curve this way too. And then I'm going to draw another curve that comes down. This is for the trunk of our tree. Now let's draw the roots. I'm going to draw a wiggly line that comes out further. Oh, we could do that on both sides. And then we'll start here and create a point, and then we're going to get further away for the first root. Then we can draw another one coming down. Ooh, I'm going to draw another little one this way, and then maybe just one last one over here. Ah, yeah, that looks really cool. Okay, now let's draw the branches holding up and surrounding the earth. I'm going to first just draw a wiggly line that comes this way, and then maybe it comes out from the earth. And I'm going to do the same thing over here, but maybe this one's shorter, and we'll just come out this way. Yeah, now let's draw a point at the end. We'll come back in, and I'm going to connect to the earth. And then we could also draw, maybe there's another branch that comes up higher. And we'll start here, draw a point, and then come back in. We'll get further away. And this part, really, you can change. You can add as many branches as you want. You don't have to draw them exactly like us. You could also draw less branches or more branches. So we're going to draw this one coming in. Maybe we can add another one too here. I'm going to go a little faster since we're just repeating the same steps. Oh, and we can also add little branches that come off of the other ones. Nice, good job. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to add your branches to your drawing. What's our tree missing?
Leaves.
Yeah, lots of leaves. Let's draw a few leaves and then we'll fast forward again. So I'm just drawing shapes that come out and then back in. We're just gonna draw a leaf shape. And we can mix up what direction the leaves are pointing, and we can add them all over our tree. The more leaves, the better. You could even draw some of the leaves maybe floating or falling. You can draw them bigger or smaller. You could also even draw different shaped leaves if you want to. You could draw like a maple leaf or more of an aspen shaped leaf, which might be closer to a circle. Now we're gonna spread the leaves all over our tree. Draw as many as you can. And this part we'll fast forward. So again, remember to pause the video and take extra time. It looks so much better filled in with leaves. Now we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. And we are gonna fast forward this part also, but let's pick out the colors first.
Okay.
We're gonna use our Art for Kids Hub gel crayons, and if you have the same set, you can use the same colors that we're using. We picked out the 2 browns and also the 2 greens. We also have the light blue. Oh, but we could also use the dark blue. But also remember, you don't have to use the same colors and you don't have to use the same supplies. You could use different gel crayons, or you could even use something completely different like markers or colored pencils. Now this part we're fast forwarding, so remember to pause the video. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our earth, and it turned out perfect, especially all colored in. Did you like using the crayons?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, they're super fun to use. They go on smooth and they're really bright. And I also love that we added a little shadow on the earth to make it look more 3D. We used our dark blue and also our darker green to have that little shape right there.
I also added shadows to my leaves.
I love it how they look more 3D. I also added a dark brown for shading on the trunk.
We hope you had a lot of fun celebrating the Earth.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.